Swagbucks claims you can earn free PayPal cash and gift cards just by answering surveys, shopping online, playing games, and even searching the web. Sounds suspicious, but is it actually a scam? Based on Swagbucks' own website, it does not appear to be a scam. Here's why. Swagbucks has been operating since 2008 and says members earn points called SB by completing activities like surveys, cashback shopping, playing games, scanning receipts, and discovering offers. Those points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. According to Swagbucks, membership is completely free, and they report paying out hundreds of millions of dollars in rewards to users over the years. So Swagbucks is not a get-rich-quick app. You're getting paid because advertisers, survey companies, and brands pay Swagbucks when users engage with their offers. Swagbucks then shares part of that revenue with members. So yes, people can earn rewards, but don't expect to replace a full-time income by clicking surveys all day. Scam? No. Easy money? Also no. Swagbucks is a legitimate rewards platform that exchanges your time, attention, shopping activity, and survey responses for points that can be converted into cash or gift cards. If you go in with realistic expectations, it can be a way to earn extra rewards online. Follow for more honest reviews that save you time and possibly money.